Morning everyone. Today I would like to discuss different practical exercises in your course number Heart 112. The first exercise in this course is identification of tree species suitable for timber, fuel wood and fodder. The objective of identification of forest tree species is to make the students to understand the criterion for selection of timber, fuel wood and fodder species. Tree species suitable for timber, fuel wood and fodder. First one is timber for making furniture, teak, red sanders, sisu, tela muddy. These are the suitable tree species for timber. Fuel wood, Diricena, Australian wattle, babul, mesquite. These are the tree species suitable for fuel wood. भोजन बनाने के लिए जलाऊ लकड़ी की आवश्यकता है. ये इस तरह का जो प्रजातियां हैं वो उपयुक्त हैं. Fodder, these are the tree species generally used for animal feeding purpose. Subabul, Sesbania and Mahruk, these are the suitable tree species for fodder purpose. Characteristics of tree species suitable for timber. What characteristics should be present in the timber wood which you are using for manufacturing the different furnitures? First one is durability. The wood should have durable life. Workability, on which work is done, that is costing as well as designing. These are the operations generally done on the wood. Color, proper wood color and other colors should be present in the xylem of the tree species. Grain and figure, porosity, capacity to take polish. It is also suitable to do the polish on the wood and which retain for longer duration. 4 characteristics for judging the quality of timber. Strength, it means it should be strong. Weight, it has optimum weight. Hardness, it should be hard. Presence of natural preservatives like tannins and salts, this should be already inherently present in the wood, which protects from eating by termites or other insects. Examples of trees for timber. Scientific name Tectona grandis, common name teak, family Bourbanaceae. Tectona means carpenter and grandis means large. Characteristics of this particular species, that is teak. Teak is a large tree containing hardwood, golden yellow in color when it is cut freshly. After exposing to the atmosphere, the wood turns into dark brown. A strong scent can be felt by touching the hardwood. Wood is moderately hard, which can weigh about 20 kg per cubic foot, and wood doesn't split and extremely durable. Annual links are made by narrow belt of veins. Branchlets are quadrangular and channeled. Leaves are elliptical or oblongate, having a size of 60 cm with petiolar length of 2.5 to 5 cm. Upper surface of the leaf is coriaceous and under surface is covered with grey stellate hairs, and leaf is termed as tawny or golden yellow in color with small hair-like structures. Flowers are terminal and trichomatous. Branching is observed. Flowering are white and panicle erect. Fruit is bony, not enclosed in a thick spongy covering with dense felt of hairs. Each nut contains 1 to 3 seeds. Scientific name Pterocarpus stentinus, common name red sanders, family Leguminaceae. Characteristics of this particular species: it is a large tree. Hardwood is dark purple in color. Leaf is broad, elliptical in shape with obtuse ends. Leaf surface is dark green in color when compared to lower surface. Leaves are thick and leathery in nature. Leaflets are three. Gray hairs are present on the lower side of the leaflets during the younger stage. Flowers are axillary and terminal, yellow in color and racemose type of flowering. Fruit is called samara, winged fruit, single seed located in the center of the fruit with winged periphery. Scientific name Dalbergia sissu, common name Sesame or sissu, family Leguminaceae. Characteristics of Dalbergia sissu are: sissu is a medium to large deciduous tree growing up to 30 meter in height and 2.4 meter in girth. Bark is grey in color, heartwood is dark brown in color. Leaves comprises of 3 to 5 leaflets with elliptical or ovate shape with acuminate tip. Leaves are pubescent during early stages and length of the leaves varies from 2 to 5 cm. Flowers are yellowish white in color, sessile, axillary flowers which appear during March-April. Fruit is called pod, lanceolate type of pod, which ripen during November-December. Each pod contains 1 to 4 seeds, transparent with papery testa. Scientific name Terminalia arjuna, common name Telamaddi, family Combretaceae. Characteristics: stem is smooth, white with exfoliating type of bark, and it grows to a tall height. Leaves opposite, thick with imparipinnate leaves. Inflorescence is a spike, terminal in position with white flowers. Fruit is called drupe. Fruit 4 to 5, channeled with ridges having notch at the top. Characteristics of tree species suitable for fuel wood. जलाऊ लकड़ी के लिए कौन कौन से फॉरेस्ट स्पीसीज हैं जिनको हम काम में लेते हैं? फर्स्ट वन इज कंबस्टिबिलिटी एंड कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू. Value of wood is fuel depends mainly on its combustibility and its heating power or calorific value. Combustibility means readiness with which it catches fire and continues to burn. Calorific value means quantity of heat emitted by a given weight of wood during the process of combustion. Moisture content. The overall efficiency of wood utilization depends upon moisture content of the fuel wood. Freshly cut wood contains about 23 to 25% moisture. About 8 to 9% moisture is sufficient for domestic wood burning stoves. Dense wood of dense structure generally takes longer time to burn and therefore gives steady heat than porous wood which burns quickly. Unsound wood. Unsound wood gives less heat than a sound wood without any fissures. Heartwood. The heartwood produces high heat value than sapwood as it contains greater concentration of organic substances such as tannins and salts which enhance the heat value. Hardwoods. Hardwoods are better fuel wood than softwood as the former gives out more lasting and uniform heat and are therefore preferred. Free from smoke, crackling, sparkling, ease and completeness of combustion, rapidity of burning, etc. should also be considered for selection of species for fuel wood plantation. Examples of tree for fuel wood. Scientific name Albizia lebec, common name Ceres, Diricena, family Leguminaceae. Characteristics: large deciduous tree, grey or brownish in color, sapwood is white, however trunk contains heartwood which is dark brown in color with mottled nature. Leaf pennately compound with 68 pairs of leaflets. Flower is a head, large, fragrant, white in color. Peduncle is 10 cm long. Calyx is half of the length of the corolla. Fruit is a pod, yellow colored, step-like with tapering ends on both the sides. Dehiscent type of pod. Scientific name Acacia auriculiformis. Common name Acacia Australian wattle, family Leguminaceae. Characters: it attains a height of 9 to 11 meter. Crown is small and evergreen. Leaf petiole modified into flattened lamina called phyllodes. Flowers are tiny, white to yellow fragrant. Fruit is a pod, woody in nature, turning brown when ripe. Seed contains yellow aril which is characteristic feature of Acacia auriculiformis. Circular ring on seed is also observed. Characteristics of tree species suitable for fodder. highly palatable, highly nutritious, good digestibility with optimum crude protein, free from toxins or alkaloids. Example scientific name Leucana leucocephala. It is called subabul. Common name subabul, horse, tamarind, and khari. Family Leguminaceae. Characteristics: it grows up to 20-meter height and unarmed, evergreen in habit. It produces leathery leaves with 20 to 25% crude protein. Flowers are small, white, and large bunches of long, flat pods appear on terminal branches. Pods contain 15 to 30 seeds. Immature parts light green and translucent. Mature parts brown, shining with waxy coat, which opens spontaneously when ripe. Leaves, pods, and seeds are used as animal feed. However, leaves contain toxic alkaloid called mimosine, which can be reduced either by sun drying or keeping leaves in ferrous sulfate solution. Scientific name Sesbania grandiflora. Common name Sesban. Abicia family Leguminosae. Characters: small to medium sized tree attaining a height of 10 meter with 30 centimeter diameter at the time of maturity. It has a straight cylindrical and deeply furrowed bole. Light spreading crown of leathery leaves. Leaves peripinnate with 10 to 15 pairs of leaflets having a common petiole with pulvinous base. Leaves contain 35% crude protein. It produces pink flowers during December-February, large, profuse, and ornamental. Seeds ripen during April-May. Fruit is 30 cm long, pod containing around 40 seeds in each pod. Now we come to second exercise. Identification of tree species suitable for roadside plantations, field, burns, windbreaks, and wastelands. Suitable tree species. Tree species suitable for roadside plantation: copperpot, rain tree, neem, red goldmohur, and banyan tree. Tree species suitable for field burns: domestic, curry leaf, and Clycidia. Tree species suitable for windbreaks: horsetail oak and Mysore hybrid gum. Tree species for wasteland afforestation: Indian coral tea, karanj, AP, palas, amalthas, and bamboo. Selection criteria for roadside plantation: evergreen in habit. It means plants should always contains leaves on them. Dense dome-shaped crown, lengthy trunk to permit the vehicles on road. Example scientific name Peltophorum ferrugineum. Common name yellow gold mohair, copperpot. Family Leguminosae. It is suitable for planting along the roads. Characters: large unarmed evergreen tree, midrib rachis covered with ferruginous hairs, compound leaves, leaflets opposite, obliquely oblong, obtuse 1.25 to 2 cm length. Flowers large, yellow erect spike, and central rachis is rusty brown in color. Pods flat, indehiscent, 5 to 10 cm long, coppery brown with 1 to 2 seeds per pod. Scientific name Samania saman. Common name rain tree. Belongs to family Leguminosae. Characters: large deciduous tree with spreading crown attaining a height of 15 to 25 meter. Leaves bipinnately compound with 4 to 8 pairs of leaflets. Terminal pair of leaflets are bigger in size. Flowers are pink in color. Long thread-like stamens, calyx and corolla, tubular. Stamens 10 filiform type. Fruit is flat pod, 15 to 20 centimeter long with 2 centimeter width, indehiscent, pod containing sweet pulp surrounding seeds. Scientific name Azadirachta indica. Common name Margosa tree, neem. Family Meliaceae. Characters: neem is a medium to fairly large sized tree with dense rounded crown, deep rooted, and usually evergreen. Tree attains a height of 15 meter with a diameter of 80 centimeter. Compound leaves with 7 to 9 pairs of leaflets. Imperipinnate, oblique type with serrated margin. Flowers greenish white, sweet scented flowers appear in axillary panicles during March-May. Fruit ripens during July-August. Fruit is drupe, single-celled, single-seeded, golden yellow in color. Seed is covered with mucilaginous sweet substance. Seed has acute tip with oblong shape. Scientific name Delonix regia. Common name red gold mohair. Family Leguminosae. Characters: large tree with pinnately compound leaves. Flowers are with a number of flushes throughout the year. Pods long up to 45 to 60 centimeter with 7 to 9 centimeter width. Seeds capsule shaped, grayish white with hard seed coat in individual seed chambers. Scientific name Ficus bengalensis. Ficus bengalensis. Common name banyan tree, and it belongs to family Moraceae. Characters: large tree with spreading branches, numerous aerial roots, which afterwards become trunks. Leaves glabrous when mature, ovate, mostly obtuse base, petiole 2.5 to 5 centimeter in length. Fruit globose, pubescent, sessile, scarlet when ripe, supported by 2 to 4 broad obtuse bracts. Scientific name Tamarindus indica, common name Chinta, tamarind tree, family Leguminaceae. Characters: large, handsome, unarmed, evergreen, long-lived tree. Tree attains a height of 30 cm with a girth of 5 meter with a crown diameter of 9 to 12 meter. Compound leaves with 10 to 15 pairs of leaflets. Flowers appear in April-June. Petals are yellowish or reddish pink in color. Inflorescence is racemose, older at the base, younger at the top. Pods thick, filled with dark brown acid pulp, harvested, traversed by fibers. Seeds X albuminous, brown and shiny. Species suitable for field burns. Criteria: small structure with less shade. Species should be multi-purpose, that is for fuel point of view, windbreak as well as green leaf manure. Example: scientific name Moringa oleifera, common name Domestic, family Moringaceae. Characters: small tree with a straight trunk and corky bark. Leaves tripinnately compound with obtuse leaflets. Flowers strongly honey centered, whitish yellow in color. Parts pendulous 20 to 40 centimeter long and ribbed. Seed digonous with broad wings. Scientific name Muraya quehingai, common name curry leaf, family Rutaceae. Characters of curry leaf is a small pubescent tree with short trunk. All parts of tree have powerful peculiar smell. Leaflets ovate or lanceolate. Flowers white terminal with corimbose panicles. Ovary two-celled. Pod is small. Fruit is black when mature. Scientific name Glycidia maculata. Common name Glycidia, family Leguminaceae. Characters: small, quick-growing, charming tree. Leaves imparipinnate, odd leaves. Flowers pinkish in color, attractive. Fruit is apart. Parts are long, flat, bean and pubescent. Species suitable for windbreaks. Selection criteria: resistance to drought, resistant to frost, snow, breakage and wind throw. Should be deep rooted, tolerance to temperature extremes, easy established and long lived, fast growing with tall uniform shape, resistant to pests and diseases. Should not serve as alternate host to fungi, insect and other pests. It should not shed leaves, evergreen type, during the period of actual protection. Example: scientific name Casuarina equisetifolia, common name horsetail oak, bee food, family Casuarinaceae. Characters of Casuarina: Casuarina is a large, fast growing with a graceful appearance resembling feathery conifer. Bole is long, cylindrical and attains a height of 40 meter with a DBH of less than 60 centimeter, often buttressed at the base. Foliage leathery, consisting of long slender drooping leaflets, branchlets perform the function of leaves. Leaves reduced to a minute scales, forming a whorl around the branches. Short-lived lifespan seldom exceeds 50 years. Tree flowers generally twice in a year, February, April and September, October. Fruits woody, globose, cone with which appears in June and December. Scientific name Eucalyptus terrecticornis, common name Mysore hybrid, Mysore gum, Nilgiri Tylum, Telugu, family Myrtaceae. Characters: evergreen glabrous tree, leaves opposite, sessile and horizontal in position. Leaves in adult tree alternate petiole and vertical in position. Bark splitting long strips. Tree grows to a height of 14 meter with DBH of 60 centimeter. Flowers in umbels. Heads usually pedunculate. Fruit consists of enlarged calyx tube. Seeds are numerous, minute and black in color. Each kg seed contains 75,000 seeds. Species developed by baseline selection criteria, versatile in nature, well adapted to harsh climate, long lifespan, good natural regeneration. Scientific name Erythrina indica, common name Indian coral tea. Family Leguminaceae, moderate sized tree of rapid growth. Bark loess or greenish grey in color. During flowering, branches often prickly. Wood is white, soft and light in weight. Leaflets glabrous, entire terminal leaflets much broader. Dense racemes with peduncle of 40 cm long. Pods 15 to 30 cm long and 8 to 10 seeds. Scientific name Pongamia pinnata, common name Karanch canuga. Family Leguminaceae, moderate sized tree. Bark is soft. Wood yellowish white with no hardwood. Leaves imparipinnate, glabrous, bright green. Opposite ovate, short with acuminative. Flowers racemose type and axillary in position. Fruit is a pod, indehiscent, turgid, woody, single seeded. Other examples are scientific name Hardwickia venata, scientific name Butea monosperma, Bahonia purpurea, Cassia fistula, Dendrocalmus strictus, and identification of multi-purpose minor forest and nitrogen fixing tree species suitable for agroforestry. Multi-purpose trees, minor forest trees, nitrogen fixing trees. Examples Ziziphus mauritiana Bear. And the characteristics, second is Sampindus emerginatus, soap nut, and Syzygium cumni jamun, and Santalum album sandalwood, and Diosporus melanoxylon, tuniki, beady leaf, Ebenaceae family belong करते हैं. And the nitrogen fixing trees Subabul, Casuarina, Gladsidia, Pongome generally belongs to Leguminaceae. Nine nitrogen fixing trees suitable for agroforestry: Amla, Anacordium, Ziziphus mauritiana, Moringa oleifera, Azadirachta, Bombyx seba, Morus alba, Salix alba. Thank you for patience hearing. Students are advised to read these tree species in detail and very in regular way, so that they understand about the trees. Thank you.